So that's it. Okay, we're just about to see how we can break the coconut. For this we need a battery tree, and we should use the 6mm drill bit, preferably clean. Okay, and we're going to drill 2 holes into the coconut. There goes one. There goes another one. That was easy. Okay, give me a glass. We'll take the milk out of the coconut. Wow. 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 That's it. That's our coconut milk. And now we're going to do what the monkeys normally do. Follow one. Throw the coconut from the tree. Yes. Yes. It is broken. There you go. There you go. There you are. The inside of the coconut.
Ah, que será? Wow.
That's a coconut.